Today we have an equilateral triangle whose all the sides are equal to 8 units. Now, inside the triangle, there is a semicircle in such a way that the flat side of the semicircle lies exactly along the base of the triangle, and the curved part of the semicircle touches both the sides of the triangle. Okay, our goal is to find the area of the semicircle. Now, to find the area, we first need to find the radius of the semicircle. Let us call the center of the semicircle as O. Since the flat side lies along the base, point O sits exactly at the midpoint of the base. Now, we draw a line from center O to the point where the curved part of the semicircle touches one of the slanted sides. And this line is our radius, denote by R. Now here you need to know a key geometric fact, that the radius of a semicircle is always perpendicular to the tangent line at the point of tangency. This means the angle between our radius R and the slanted side is exactly 90 degrees. So we now have a right triangle with 3 important values. First, the hypotenuse. Since the base of the triangle is 8 units, and point O is at the midpoint, the distance from center O to the bottom corner of the triangle is half of 8, which is 4 units. And this distance becomes the hypotenuse of our right triangle. Second, the perpendicular side of this right triangle is the radius R. Third, the angle. Since this triangle is equilateral, every interior angle is 60 degrees. The angle at the bottom corner of the equilateral triangle is 60 degrees, and this same angle appears in our right triangle. Now, here we apply the sine ratio. The sine of an angle are equals to perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. So we can write sine 60 degrees equals R divided by 4. Now, we take 4 to the left side. R equals 4 times sine 60 degrees. Now, we know the value of sine 60 degrees is square root of 3 divided by 2. So, we substituting the value of sine 60 degree, R equals 4 times square root of 3 divided by 2. Now, we simplify this 4 and this 2 cancel, and giving us R equals 2 times square root of 3 units. Now, we are going to find the area of the semicircle. The formula for the area of a semicircle is 1/2 times pi times r squared. Substitute the value of r in this. Area equals 1/2 times pi times 2 into square root of 3 whole squared. Now, 2 into square root of 3 whole squared equals 2 squared times square root of 3 squared, which equals 4 times 3. That gives us 12. So the area becomes 1/2 times pi times 12. And this is equal to 6 pi square units. We know the value of pi is 3.1416. So by putting this, the area is approximately 18.85 square units, which is our required result. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and share the video, and subscribe our channel for more interesting and geometry math problems.